Hey YouTube, this week we are working on trim. Thanks for clicking on to Home Free Family and hope you enjoy.
I'm Sarah and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Sawyer just plugged in and got my compressor turned on. Now can you plug in the hose?
What? I thought you said, wait, me?
Yeah, can you plug in the hose, Sawyer?
Too scary. Alright, let's start nailing some of these on.
Can I nail first?
Sure.
Can I that one?
Make sure we got our settings right here. So the important part here,
We have to help you so we can go to the rec center sooner.
the big important part here is that this corner looks good. So with me pushing on it, put one nail. Actually it needs to be like right there.
Okay. Watch out. Right here?
Yep. Oh, hold on. Don't go crazy with it. Okay, right there. Something's not working, hold on. Oh, you didn't get it plugged in.
What do you mean I didn't get it plugged in? Oh, right, I forgot.
Look, you gotta pull this sleeve back, and then you push hard and let go.
Thank you.
So let's try that again. You want me to do this part?
No.
Push hard. No?
I almost
There you go. Are you okay?
It's
wet.
pink.
Gotcha. Okay, ready to watch me?
Good.
It has to go straight right there. Great. Now, I need my stud finder and a tape measure.
So fine, and the tape measure. I'll get the tape measure.
Because we want to try, you know how there's 2x4s in this wall, the studs is what they're called. We want to try and get the nails into the studs. It'll be way stronger if we do. Okay, there's one.
How do you know?
See, it's red dot. Blink and pull that trigger.
That's a big hole. That's a big hole, right?
No, I gotta add some here because this is, see that wiggle? Here's another thing you need to know. How do you think that's held on solid?
With a stud.
Yeah, has to be a stud right next to it. Do you know which side? That side, because it beat there, huh? So we know right here will be a stud. And now we need to find one more stud over here. Right there. Okay, press it. That piece is in.
Now next piece.
Now let's do this toe kick right here.
Travis is so good about always making sure the kids have an opportunity to work with him when he does a project on the house. He tries really hard to be patient with the kids and is always willing to teach them something new to help them learn a new skill.
What is that stuff, Dad?
This is glue stuff. This is the glue right here, and then this is the chemical that makes the glue dry really fast. Makes it stick really fast. Okay, so let me explain what I'm doing here real quick. So when I test fitted, if that's how you say it, the baseboard right here, there was just a hair, maybe a 1/16 gap between baseboard and flooring, so you could see a little line of gap. You want about 1/8 of an inch, maybe even a hair more, 1/2 inch at the absolute most of gap between wall and your flooring so that it can expand and contract. But I probably have 5/8. My baseboard, by the way, is half. So I'm seeing just a hair right in the middle, only two, by the way, not on the ends. So I wanted to explain the solution I came up with for this problem. I happened to get these little spacers with some trim that I got. I don't even remember what it came with now, but I got some spacers. Or you could use a shim and just cut off a bunch of shims and stick them on the wall. Anyway, with the spacer, I'm gonna nail those on the wall, and that way when I put my baseboard up here, it will space it off a good 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. I think I'm gonna double stack these at least in the middle, so I'm gonna get at least 1/4 of an inch. Then at the top of the baseboard, that will leave a little gap, but that's gonna get filled with caulk. So it should be totally hidden once it's all in place and caulked. And that's my solution. That's what I'm going to do right now. My kids got into these and broke a whole bunch.
Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm not sure how next week is going to look with it being Christmas and all, but if we don't get a video up next week, make sure you tune in 2 weeks because we got our metal countertops in and we love them and we're really excited.
You can kind of see them in the background right
It's
there.
our sneak peek. But we're really excited to tell you guys about how we did them. They're much cheaper than other types of cabinets that we looked at, and we're really happy with how they turned out. So
We were nervous and it turned out really good.
yeah. So we'll see you maybe in 1 week, but probably in 2. Thanks for watching.